Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be splitting a string column. We are going to be dividing a string column using delimiters into multiple columns. To begin, I'm going to drag a text to column tool, which is this tool here. I'm just going to move the slider to the end, and then I will drag that tool to the end here so that the J output anchor of the join tool connects to the input anchor of the text to column tool. So you can see here we have the J anchor of the join tool here connecting to the input anchor of the text to column tool. In the configuration window on the left here, click on the drop down in the column to split, and then scroll down and select mobile. In the delimiter, we're going to replace the default comma. I've changed the default delimiter. Make sure the split to columns radio button is selected. In the number of columns, change that from 3 to 2 and then run the workflow. So I'm going to click on the run button to run the workflow. Note that the delimiter used to separate the column is the hyphen. So any delimiter you want to use to separate a column, you have to enclose the delimiter in quotes. So you can see here I've enclosed the hyphen delimiter in quotes, which is what I use to separate this column called mobile. So this mobile column has been separated into two columns. So if you look at the far end, we have mobile 1. So it has split the column into the area code on mobile 1, and then on the mobile 2 column, it then represents the 7-digit mobile number. So the original column, which is called mobile, has been split into two columns. So it separated them into the area code and the 7-digit mobile number. So we can see them in the two columns at the end, which is represented as mobile 1 and mobile 2. So that's it for this video. In this video, we split a string column using delimiters. Thank you for watching.